All right, today I'm talking my top 5 pet peeves. Y'all are doing them. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta quit doing it. I've had quite enough stuff. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Son French, and on today's episode, here's the drill. I'm talking my top 5 pet peeves. Let's go. Pet peeve number 1, your unit patches. A lot of you, you are wearing these patches wrong. You wear them too high, too low, to the left, to the side, tilted, canted, whatever you want to do, all the way at the bottom edge of the Velcro. That ain't it. Per AR 670-1, your unit insignia patch should be centered on the hook line tape. Velcro. There's even angles stitched into this patch. You can find the center of it so easy if you just apply yourself. Pet peeve number 2. Not wearing your badges on your uniform, to me, is a slight and disrespect to those badges. You walk around and you're not wearing your drill sergeant badge, I got a problem. You walking around not wearing your wings, I got a problem. You not walking around wearing air assault, cab, wings, it doesn't matter. I got a problem with it. Why do you not wear those badges? You busted your ass to get them, and there's a lot of history behind that. Put some respect on those badges. You earned them. Wear them. It's not hard. I can't stand it. I absolutely can't. I just look and I know, I'm not sure, you might be. Chill up. Pet peeve number 3, your military watch. I've had it. Too many of you are out there using watches that are not prescribed in 670-1. Whether it's white, red, pink, orange, I don't care. Y'all are wearing them and you shouldn't be wearing them. DAPAM 670-1 states that the colors should be conservative. Conservative, meaning that it shouldn't stick out in public, stick out in formation, stick out anywhere. Black, brown, coyote brown, dark green, black, subdued colors. It's not hard. Pet peeve number 4. A lot of y'all are wearing your cold weather tops wrong. Absolutely wrong. Some of y'all are wearing it like this. Wrong. Some of y'all are wearing it like this. Yeah, monkey holes. Wrong. Now the way this should look is just like this, where you can't even see it. You can't see it. You can't even see that I'm wearing it. It's a huge pet peeve when you wear it wrong and you look awful. You look terrible. I can't even explain it. I don't know how to explain it. I'm getting hot in here. It's got to be the jacket. It's the jacket. On to my last pet peeve, number 5. Doing the minimums. If you're out there doing the minimums at anything, it drives me absolutely up the wall. The one instance that will put me to the moon and frustrated is when somebody does it on a PT test. Yeah, I'm just going to do my 10 hand release and get up, man. I ain't supposed to be here. Yeah, you're trash for that. Or you could do your best and then move on with your life. If you're doing the minimums in anything, school, PT test, any single thing, you're wrong. And trust me, your NCOs and your commanders, they see it. And it's awful. Stop doing the minimums. Go out, give it your best. Put your best foot forward. That's how you're going to succeed. If you're a minimum soldier, yeah, you're going to have minimum success. Trust me when I say that. So for today, that was my top 5 pet peeves. I want to hear your pet peeves in the comments. What do you guys got? Let me know your pet peeves. Put them in the comments. But today, that's the drill.